Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. And these are general collective readings. Leo will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, welcome back. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. And Leo, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Leo, center of my spread, I see the 8 of Pentacles, but in reverse. Okay. And overall energy is the Star. So either somebody sees you as the star now, Leo, or somebody is really wishing, praying, hoping for some things to heal here. Maybe something ended. There's a Queen of Cups in the upright and a King of Cups in reverse. So there could have been some kind of toxic behavior which went on here. Maybe this King of Pentacles never showed their emotion. Even though they knew that they had a wonderful Queen of Cups who was loving, kind, gentle, beautiful, perfect for them. But this King of Cups probably kind of, was emotionally draining or emotionally manipulative or something and didn't really put in the work. Now, this Queen of Cups, I think, has turned away and made some kind of a decision. But because they were never respected in this connection, and that's what is kind of leading to some kind of conflict, because somebody still wants this connection. Somebody is still wishing and hoping that we can get back together. Let's start with some angel blessing cards. Some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then of course I'll clarify all these cards and get the real story out. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. They could say something to each other. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. All right. So the first card here, Leo, says, I didn't have the courage to tell you. Like I said, somebody could have hidden their emotions or not been emotionally available, not emotionally open, even though they had the perfect person in front of them, their counterpart, their equal, the person who was, the Queen of Cups to the King of Cups. But this King of Cups didn't have probably the courage to come out and be honest. I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself, which could be this Queen of Cups saying that, because she's facing away from this King of Cups now. Maybe saying I've gone into self-love now. I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. I always chose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions didn't match the words that came out of your mouth. Damn it. I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. Right? So somebody was always hiding, never really expressing how they felt. And I think that was the toxic behavior which came into this connection. Nobody really put in the work to express, maybe the King of Cups didn't. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. Maybe this King of Cups thought they could emotionally keep this Queen of Cups hooked, all the time and never have to put in any work. And this Queen of Cups said, hey, listen, don't take me for granted. I'll take my love back. I'm going to start pouring that same love into myself instead. And that's what's happened here. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling very fragile right now. I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair for either of you to pursue our connection at this time. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. Okay, so Leo, these are resonating with your storyline. Let's begin your reading. Let's see what this wants to say to us. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels will bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For Leo, please, Spirit. Two cards fell out, Leo. One was learning experience. Yes, this person could have taught you a lesson. Maybe this Queen of Cups learned a lesson in self-love or self-worth. And maybe this King of Cups had to learn a lesson as well of having to take the lead sometimes and having self-worth as well, right? You have to take action to have any kind of results. Okay, so what's this World card, Spirit? What's this World cards? And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Yes, Leo, I think things have changed. Things have changed. Maybe an ending took place because there was no stable brand new beginning offered. The possibility of a brand new beginning has been stalled now. 1 second. I think my battery is complaining. Let me just put it back. 1 minute. Okay, here we go. All right. So one more card, Spirit, for the World card. Yes, I think somebody turned their back. They've decided, hey, if, nothing is being on offer here, there is no stability here, I might as well go and see what else is out there. I'm turning my back. I'm going to allow the universe to bring me whatever is in my destiny. I'm not going to wait around for nothing. If nothing is on the table, then I'm not going to go hungry, right? I'm going to just kind of turn my back and see maybe there's something better out there. This could be this Queen of Cups saying that, who's kind of seems to have ended waiting around for this King of Cups now. Queen of Cups, what do you have to say to us? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Yes, Queen of Cups says, hey, listen, I am love. I hold this cup of love in my hand. My heart was full of love. I was ready to offer this cup of love, but all I got in return was stress and tension and not being able to sleep at night because, they took my love for granted. I mean, here I was offering all this, the big love cup, everything, but it was one-sided. So, King of Cups, what do you have to say to that? What do you have to say to that? Why are you in reverse? King of Cups. One more. Yes, King of Cups says, I never offered any offer. I never accepted any offer. I was still waiting to find out I wanted to have some clarity about this connection. I was still kind of, biding time, being patient, trying to find out more information maybe, or trying to wait till, things were more clear in my head. And maybe I wasn't in a place that time to kind of, receive or accept any invitation of love. But now I'm thoroughly depressed and sad because I've lost this offer. I've lost this offer, and this has turned out to be a huge tower moment in my life. What's this tower moment that hit you, King of Cups? Yes, because they say my Queen of Cups decided to leave me, has gotten onto her boat and left me and my troubles behind, and has moved on to find peace and harmony in their own life, it seems, and left me feeling bored and regret. They say this Queen of Cups has now covered her cup of love. Earlier it was nice and open, so I took them for granted, thinking, hey, the love is always going to be available for me. But now I'm feeling rejected, I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling bored, because now the same Queen of Cups has a lid. See carefully on this cup of love. So yes, that's what happened here. So what's this Devil card now, Spirit? What's this Devil card? Devil. Devil. Okay. And 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. Somebody wants to start a brand new chapter, it seems. Now they're obsessively wanting, now they have that clarity, the clarity that they were seeking earlier. Now this person has full clarity as to who they want, what they want, and that they want an equal partnership and they want an equal give and take. Now they are a bit afraid right now. They're very, very afraid. Even though they really want it, obsessively so, they're a bit afraid now, because now they're realizing, I never put in any work. This connection has already come to a halt now. I've broken my person's heart. There is heartbreak here because of this choice that I never made. Right? Now they do want to make a choice, but now they fear that their person is not going to be on the same page, it seems. 2 of Swords in reverse. Yes, they know they need to come and give an apology now. They have made a decision that now they want to move forward. Now they realize now they have to come forward with an apology or something. One more, Spirit, for the 2 of Swords. Yes. They want to apologize for being rash, maybe, or maybe saying things which they didn't mean, or for just being very flighty. Like the King of Swords is like a person who just flies into your life and flies out, stays for very little time and then leaves us quickly. They want to apologize for this kind of behavior. Now that they've made their decision, they made their choice, they also know that they have to now apologize for the way they've been treating this Queen of Cups in the past. They always kind of disrespected this Queen, always made her feel ungrounded, never feeling respected. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they're trying. They are kind of. They feel their person has lost hope in this connection. They feel their person has absolutely lost hope in this connection. They fear that their person has maybe gone off for a brand new beginning, maybe manifesting a brand new beginning for themselves now. They also fear that there may be a lot of competition now around them. 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands. Yes, they're fearing right now that this person who they disrespected maybe in the past, they may hold back from them now and may have already shut the door on this connection, may have already ended this chapter with them. The Lovers. The Lovers. But this King of Cups, they want to bring some justice back into this connection. They are itching. They're really, really hoping and wishing and praying that, can I have a reconciliation? Is there a second chance here for me? I am deeply, deeply attached to you. I'm deeply attracted to you. Is there any possibility that we can bring peace and harmony back into this connection? Just give me one more chance to make this right. And then I have the King, the Knight of Cups as well, which showed up, which means, yes, somebody wants to come forward now and be emotionally open. Earlier, the King of Cups was very emotionally closed off, and, now they want to come forward naive and innocent and let's start again and be open to this connection. Anything else, Spirit, for Leo? And here comes your card, Leo, the Strength card. Yes, somebody may kind of hold back. I don't think your person has really moved on. They are still at crossroads. They still haven't made any decision yet. But yes, they do have the world in their hands. They could be looking out to see what else is out there for me. And this person has actually become stronger since. So if you are the person who's coming back, you are the king of cups in reverse who wants to come back, you'll have to come back with a solid, very sweet, very romantic offer to win this person back. I don't think this person has gone anywhere. It's just that they're now stronger in their own life, but still at crossroads, not made any decision yet. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. Yes, the last two cards I just saw, Leo, was somebody wanting a reconciliation, and the other one kind of got their boundaries up now. Okay, so see you now on Monday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.